Hello, this is Dr. Mani. Welcome to today's Dental. I was born in India and I moved to United States in 2000. I've been in the dental field for over 16 years and I've been practicing in the United States since 2006. My focus is on providing you the best dental care possible with your financial needs in consideration. We highly value our patients' comfort, and for your convenience we have provided 3 TVs, including an overhead TV for you to watch your favorite programs when you are getting your dental work done. We have patient education videos and intraoral cameras in each room to educate our patients on procedures and their oral health condition. Each room has a comfort station for you to refresh yourself after your dental appointment. All of our equipment is new and high-tech, high-quality equipment.